I am Graeme Burress. I'm a Hyperlite wakeboards team rider. I signed with Hyperlite back in 2013 down at BSR Cable Park in Waco, Texas. I grew up north in Cincinnati, Ohio. My dad in high school and college was a water skier and kneeboarder and barefooter. So when my parents had me, their first child, as soon as I was old enough to be on the boat, they got a little and I learned to water ski, kneeboard, barefoot, the whole 9 yards. As I got a little bit older, wakeboarding started to gain popularity, so my dad grabbed us a couple wakeboards and me and my dad learned to wakeboard together, which is a pretty cool experience, like from doing our first wake jumps together to all the way down to doing our first flips. It was like neck and neck, so it was like really fun to have that relationship with my dad and have something to learn together with him. So starting out, riding with Hyperlite, I was on the Union, which was a cable board that was, like I said, cable and boat back and forth. I wanted something that was a little bit more for the cable park, so we cleaned up the base. We made it pretty flat for the most part. It does have a couple little channels between the feet to give you a little bit of grip, as well as a tunnel in the nose to help like trap the rail in there. And then as well as that, we have a bevel all the way around the board to keep the edge of the board up out of the water to keep you from catching those nice back and front edges. But all in all, a lot of rocker for a lot of pop off the wake and a lot of ollie power off the water. But it all came together for the wishbone. From there, we went with the de facto binding. I wanted something that you could pull out and walk back in at the cable park. So we have this nice removable liner with a nice walk pad on it. And then to snug it up, we have a Velcro strap here that's got some rubber in it that stretches. And so that's actually able to like cinch down here really nice. If I can even do it. There we go. So that gives you a nice pull to get nice and snug with the rubber, which is a nice improvement we made over the years with the bike. So last year, me and JB spent a whole summer driving around in a Toyota Prius from cable park to cable park. We put down like 15,000 miles going to 30 different cable parks. After that 3 months, I was like, I want a little bit bigger car to do this in, so I got a Mercedes Sprinter van, fully built it out to live in. I've been in that for the past like 9 months now, which makes it super easy to drive from cable park to cable park or lake to lake and wakeboard with new people all over the country. So with the COVID impact on our industry and it's shutting everything down, locking us all in the States, I was just able to get that van and keep driving around and hitting new spots. So it's definitely a fun little twist on things. Riding behind a boat and at the cable park are two like completely different things, but both have their things that are really fun about them. At the cable park, you get the sense of community with the other people that maybe you've never met before, being out at the park, cheering you on, getting tips from people that are maybe better than you. And on the boat, it's cool to just get a nice like family or tight-knit experience with your friends. It's 4 or 5 of you out on the boat, all packed together, watching each other ride. So it can be a nice like disconnect from today's media and cell phones and everything, to be out on the boat chilling. And then on the other end of that, you can go to the cable park, be a part of a community and ride with people you've never met and see styles and tricks you've never seen before. So it's a really cool balance to go between the two, ride a little bit of boat and a little bit of cable and just kind of get it the best of everything. If you guys are in the Austin area and you're looking to get your hands on some Hyperlite product, head over to MarineMax and then get you all set up, walk you through the process and find what fits best for you.